Hey guys, Nikki here, and I am back with yet another hygiene video. Oh, another Amazon video. All the above. So if you want to hear about my Amazon favorites, hygiene edition, please continue to watch.
Good job first. Good job first.
Okay, so you guys love the Amazon's favorite video, so I was like, let me bring that thing back with my hygiene favorites. Okay, so I have different sections on my Amazon store, so what I will do is link the Amazon store below so you can browse. Since this is the hygiene video, I am going to directly link the hygiene section. I cover vaginal, I cover breast, I cover all of that, and I have a separate video on every single last one of these subjects, but I realize that some of you guys don't watch all the videos. You might want to watch one and don't watch the other. Some information you might have missed out on, so that's why I am bringing it to you guys with just my favorites. So I'm not going to go in any particular order or really deep details about the items, because like I said, I have showed them all in other videos, but I do want to start with my sponsors, NutraBlast. You guys know I love NutraBlast. If you haven't checked out any of my other videos with them, I will list them below, where I got the men opinion about vaginal hygiene, where I talked about the different discharge, and the video where I discovered the pills and was saying how good they are. Now the reason why I want to start with NutraBlast is because they are in my Amazon favorite store, but there is a link that you guys will need to click below for the items I am going to show you, because you will get a percentage off. I can't offer you the percentage off through my Amazon store, so under the video will be two links. One, the NutraBlast products, so that you can get your money off, and then the Amazon store. So please keep that in mind. If you want any of the NutraBlast items I am showing you, click the first link, and if you want the rest of the items, click the Amazon store. Don't get it confused, because my NutraBlast items are in the store also on Amazon. So that brings me to the Boric Life suppositories. Oh my gosh, these things are a lifesaver. I know you guys saw my friends like literally fighting over them and stuff the last video. So they are all natural. They support your pH balance. That's the number one thing us women need to be concerned about if you don't want to have an odor, and it just supports vaginal health all the way around. It helps all the way around with the yeast, with bacteria, with the dryness, with all of that. These things are awesome, and you will use these together. Okay, so you would just put this on the little stem or the suppository and insert it like that, so it go hand in hand. You kind of can't buy one without the other. I wouldn't, but this is a brand new bottle. Yeah, I'm spoiled. They sent me another bottle, but I don't use these regular. I use them like, you know, you use them when you just need a little pick-me-up, a little. You use them when you want to feel a little bit more fresh, okay? And you use them if you have bacterial vaginosis, yeast, or something like that, but I haven't had those problems, so yeah. But they still good. They still work. You still need them in your medicine cabinet. If you have recurrent bacterial infection, you just need them anyway, because what if something pop up? You want to already have them in your cabinet. Okay, yeah, you just need to already have them. So speaking of that, they have these feminine pH test strips. That's what they look like right there, guys. I've showed you guys these before also. They are very user friendly. You just swipe, all that good stuff, and it tests your pH balance so that you would know if it's high, if it's low, if you need to use a pill, if you don't. You just need to know anyway, because when it get too high, there's some things get lit off. Okay, so yeah, all of this will be linked below the Boric Life tab. Okay, that will be linked below. with a discount code. Get that stuff, you guys. It is great. I've talked about it over and over and over again, and you really need them. And if you have like some kind of Amazon credits and stuff like that, and you want to use the Amazon store, they will be in there also. So once again, thanks to NutraBlast for sponsoring this video. So let's hop straight into the other products. So I'm gonna go pretty fast because, like I said, I've showed all of this stuff before. So I would consider this a feminine hygiene, what I use in the shower, what I use to stay fresh. It's like all of that in one. It's no secret, guys. I love this Irish Spring soap for the backside. Only. Clearly your girl be washy taking it down. But yeah, I love this big bottle. I used to only could find this bottle on Amazon, but now I think Walmart have it, but we're talking about Amazon. So if you can't find this in your Walmart, or you've never seen a bottle of this caliber, you just pump, click the Amazon store link. Love this, love this, love this. It takes something strong, but like man soap, you got to just get it right, get it tight. So also my lotion is hemp lotion. You guys know I love this lotion. You guys tell me all the time, I know you can find it at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all of that, but everybody don't have them stores, okay? This is just some bum lotion, guys, and I love it. And this is my favorite scent. It's the original, so I would highly recommend this lotion also. It's very expensive. It's like $19 if you buy a regular price, but there's some sellers on Amazon that's pretty inexpensive, and you can find it in some stores. All right, so I told you guys that I use spray deodorant. This is just a little small can. I really like to use Degree, but it's really hard to find Degree in small cans, and this is the can that I keep in my purse. You just spray that on the vulva where your hair would be, or where you have hair, and yeah, fresh all day. Fresh all day. Nair. This is not one of my favorites, but I got 2 cans of this and I'm gonna use it until it's gone. I like the cream or the lotion. This is the spray bottle, and it's just I almost said nasty, but it's just so messy, man. It gets everywhere. Not one of my favorites, but I love Nair. But Bay likes it, so to each his own. You might like the spray kind, so it's in my store. Yeah. Girl, it gets everywhere. So here's the Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. You guys know I love this. This is what you put on when you are still in the shower. So basically what you do, you take a shower, you put this lotion on, and then you dry off. Yeah, and you at the shower, baby smooth, feeling fresh, looking good, okay? Moisturized. So yeah, love that. Alright, just like I was telling you guys about the hemp lotion, here's my Jason's Rose Water Soap. It's natural. It's no parabens, no petroleum, no harsh sulfates, no anything in here, okay? And I get it, you know, at the good old stores or Amazon, because it's real hard to find rose water. I really like rose water. Any scent will do, but rose water is just my favorite because they all do different things. This say invigorating, and another one might say calming, you know, so I love this one, but this is what I use all over the body, all over the body. All right, guys, memory cards, batteries, and all that be hating on y'all. They don't want y'all to get this work. So yeah, this is what I use all over. Now I do have a sweet cookie wash listed in there. My Amazon favorites, it used to be my vaginal soap only, but I'm out, and since I ran out, I started using the Yoni bars. So yeah, I still love the sweet cookie wash, but I get the Yoni bars locally. They are cheaper and I like them better. So I do still love the sweet cookie wash, but girl, it got replaced with my Yoni bars, and Yoni bars aren't on Amazon, okay? They're handmade. So here's the Dr. Bronner soap, thanks to all you guys. Because girl, it was mentally fresh down there at first. You told me that you mixed this 5 to 1, okay? Because I was just using it straight like this. Girl, I'm so glad I ain't getting none, okay? But it is the Dr. Bronner's Hemp Peppermint Soap. There are a lot of colors. It come in orange, it come in green, and they all have, it's lavender, is tea tree, different type of oils, but this is by far my favorite. So yeah, this is a brand new bottle. I had to just go and buy to show you guys in this video because I am out. This is my favorites, guys. I really use this stuff. So a lot of this stuff I was like, I'm out or low. So this is the Body Fresh. I've showed you guys this in my period pouch video, I want to say. Basically what this is what you use to wet your tissue after you make a bowel movement. So if you don't have baby wipes or something in handy, you put a few pumps of this on your tissue. There are I want to say 3 cents I have to choose from, and that's just very genius. No matter where you go, you can just pull that bottle out and wet your tissue. If you don't have baby wipes or you don't want to carry big packs of wipes. So getting on scents, because I feel like it all runs together. I did show these in my Amazon favorites, the other video. So this is Poopery and this is Fresh Drops. Both of these you put in the toilet before you go and nobody will ever know. I am an advocate for these. Put me on a commercial, because don't nobody want to smell all y'all business, man. Just spray this stuff in the toilet like this and nobody even know what you're in there doing, okay? It's that simple. It's a lot of different type of those, but those two are linked in my Amazon store. So these little panty liners, everybody needs some panty liners. Come on now, do I have to explain it? Okay, and then this Go Bun medicated foot powder is linked in there for under the breast. Women with huge breasts that sweat under there, chafe under there, crack under there, bleed under there. This is a good powder to stop that. All right, I think I said to stop that, but I meant to calm it. Like once you're irritated, just keep the powder or put the powder under there to keep you dry. Now that has talc in it. Be very careful with that. You know, it's a study, talc causes cancer. So get the talc free kind. That's just a big bottle I have at the house, and I haven't bought the talc free kind. So I'm recommending the talc free kind. God dang, I can't talk. So that is the same as the cream. It do the exact same thing as the powder, okay? So yeah, if you have big breasts, and especially if you had a hard time finding bras and stuff, you would know that having the right bra play a big part in that. So having the wrong bra can hurt you. Like all kind of stuff can happen up under there. So yeah, cortisone cream to stop the itching up under there. We're still on breast hygiene. And the ointment to heal your own up. You got to get healed. Or another fast way to heal is athlete's foot cream. So I have all of those creams, powders, soaps, everything listed in my Amazon store as my favorite. You got to stay fresh. Now, y'all don't try me, because y'all be trying it. Just because I'm showing you guys all of this don't mean I use it all every day. Don't mean I use it all together. Some of it I don't use at all, once a month sometimes. But they're still my favorites if I'm having those issues. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't know why that's so hard for some people to understand, because, you know, under my vaginal hygiene videos, a lot of people are like, you don't need all that. You use too much. Or they automatically assume I stink because I'm having to use all this, and I'm just like, no, boo. I'm very old and mature, and all of these things have been used during different points of my life, different, you know, a bitch going through menopause. So I sweat a lot, all that kind of stuff. So, you know, I use it as needed. Like some days I might use this soap, and if I'm just having a really rough day or I've been working a lot, I might have to add a little bit of this. You get what I'm saying? You don't just use it all at the same time, guys. Does that make sense? So I hope you guys enjoyed my Amazon hygiene favorites. Alright guys, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. The Amazon link and the boric acid link will be below. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Good job, first.